Till I saw baby, we pull up with stick. Free little bitch tryna say she got baby by me. Hell no, I ain't going for shit. Say they got geek shit, pull up, it's a beast.
Yo.
Hey.
You look delightful. See what I'm saying? Hey, how old you though?
I'm 28.
Hey, rate me 1 through 10.
Huh?
Rate me 1 through 10.
You? 12.5, 13.
She want me! She want me! Bad!
Man with tattoos.
Sam. I'm gonna give you a 1,000.
Stop.
You have a.
I'm not like these other girls who be kicking on makeup. This is all natural. So.
Okay, no lashes. I see it. No lashes, no none. You have a good rest of your day though.
Yep, you too. Bye.
You know what I'm saying? Yo. Hey chat, subscribe. How old you is?
15. I already passed you. You skipped me.
You 15?
Huh?
You 15? You just said 15.
I said 18.
I'm sorry, I had to skill y'all. So the video, make sure y'all boy like, subscribe. Right now, twin, I'm looking at y'all. Like and subscribe.
Did your tattoos hurt?
Hell yeah, I cried with the little nigga. I cried with the boy. See what I'm saying? Hey, how old you is though? Y'all, chat.
I'm fucking tired, bro.
That look good!
Shit. Hey, let me see that. Let me see that thigh tattoo. Hold on, chat. Let me see the tattoo again.
You said let you see what?
The tattoo in your leg. The thigh tattoo.
What's calling my fucking phone?
Tell him he can wait. They be hard. What the fuck?
I drew it myself, thank you.
They be hurt.
No, not really.
Damn.
What the fuck you doing? What the fuck you doing? Are you outside? Come here, you the rest of the hotel.
Man, hang up the phone. Talk to me. Hang that shit up. Hang that
That's
shit.
why I said, call me when you get back to your hotel.
Bro, hang that shit up, man. Hang that shit up, man.
Now look, I got it, okay?
You playing, y'all.
Really fine low key from like down below, but then when we got up there, he was not.
You a doogie?
What?
Oh my god!
You need to get like, you gotta get some echo shit in that house.
Twin, why the hell you like a girl?
I can hear anything.
How old you is? Yeah.
I'm saying,
Oh, wait a minute, goddamn. How old you is?
19.
rate me 1 to 10 though, like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
What?
rate me 1 to 10.
I can't understand you. There's so much echo.
I said rate me 1 to 10.
Oh. 8.
You lying.
No.
All right, you have a great day. You have a great rest of your
I
day.
like,
What you say? My bad. Go ahead. I'm sorry. My bad.
I like your tattoos.
That look
Do you
good.
know?
Yeah.
I really appreciate that, man.
I have a couple.
I got this too. You probably can't tell.
I have one on my hip too.
I think she get a thigh tattoo. You know what I'm saying?
I've been thinking about it.
You got to get that motherfucker, son.
I don't know what to get though.
Yeah. You know that already.
I guess race has nothing to do with anything.
Ooh.
Hi, hello.
Y'all look good.
How are you?
Y'all look good.
I'm drunk. So is she. No. Old time for real. Bitch, you way out?
Man, why the fuck I be here?
You don't know.
Where you from? It's like from Louisiana, where your ass talk.
Yeah, you're from Louisiana.
Shit, how old you is though?
17.
Who that in the background?
My homegirl.
She said some bullshit in the back.
I got in the beginning. Okay, let me turn it down because if it gets too hot, then the book is trying to bend up.
Yo,
I don't have a lot of time.
take some of my shit, y'all.
Hey. What you doing?
How old you is first?
What?
How old you is?
22.
You got an attitude for fucking what?
Oh my God.
Fuck.
Baby, get that paper. Probably got a lover and the bitches so famous. Pussy so good, had to say that shit so baby. Took me to the bitch. You know who's sing along with me?
You said what?
She want me. She want me bad.
What the fuck are we talking about? The fuck are we talking about?
That's a dude.
That's little girl. I love it.
Wait, how old you is?
First language is I like the cat. I'm 12 years old.
Damn, why 12?
I thought you was gonna say it.
Isn't that cool? 12,
Jeffrey. How old are you?
How old I look?
You remember the Saturday? I'm not. You look like you like 23. Why are you looking so much? What is happening?
How old y'all live?
23.
Rate me 1 to 10. I want to hear y'all answer, because y'all looking like y'all very, very sneaky.
You want anything else? This surround sound. You a solid.
She said I'm a 10?
I was gonna say like a.
I'm a what?
You know, like a 6, 7.
I'm a 6, 7?
No.
Y'all playing, bro.
Like a 9.5.
She want me. She want me bad.
The only thing throwing
me off is the neck tattoo. It's I don't know.
21 pounds, top shot.
Bro, it's a cross game.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
That's you made a guard.
You got that holy throw.
Gotta go. Mick Maurice, you got a picture?
And my mom.
Bro, what the fuck? How old y'all is?
How old y'all is?
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Oh my
Hey man.
hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass on.
Man, how old y'all is again?
Man, how old y'all
Man, how old y'all is?
is? Man.
Bro, I ain't playing no more, bro.
What you talking about?
Y'all irritating. I'm skip y'all.
That look good.
What you doing?
Bro, you look like what's it called, bro?
What?
You look like she just got married this summer.
Yeah.
Damn, what's her name? What's her name?
You know me. What else like?
Bro, I forgot her name.
Who look like?
Her name, shit. Hold on. I'm gonna find this shit.
What? What the that?
Oh shit, lagging y'all.
What?
I'm gonna find it. You know what? I ain't gonna find that shit. Her shit lagging, chat. Her shit lagging, y'all. Fuck it.
Who?
Reese.
Really?
Why you hiding?
What?
Why you hiding?
I'm not.
How old you is?
What?
How old are you?
17?
I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it.
Bitch.
What? I can't hear you.
I wasn't even talking.
Why you got an anchor phone?
Cause I'm in the empty crib.
You're what?
It ain't shit in my crib.
Bro?
Broke is fucking crazy.
What the fuck are you talking about?
How old you is?
Broke? No money? No money?
She not. This is my crib. Man, you know what? I ain't gotta do that shit. I ain't gotta do that shit.
Where is the couch at? Where is the bed at? I don't see nothing.
What the fuck are you talking
It's in
about?
the room.
Is it real? What?
How old you is?
I just graduated. 35.
Right? You are.
About it. What's up?
How old you is?
Huh?
How old you is?
I'm drunk on my motherfucking ass right now. I don't even fucking know anything.
Hey, rate me 1 through 10.
Yeah, show some pussy.
Alright, check me out.
My name
How old you?
20.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Hey, rate me 1 through 10 though. Rate me 1 through 10.
Who is rating with the 10?
No, I said rate me 1 through 10.
Huh?
I said rate me 1 through 10.
Oh, rate from 1 to 10? Oh, okay. I'm so sorry. You idiot. Everyone deserves an 11. I'll give you an 11.
She want me.
So you can give
She want me bad.
I wouldn't even skip on y'all. Like, oh God, I wouldn't even skip.
Not gonna lie. You
Just like our baby, we pull up stick. Free little bitch, tryna say she got baby by me. Hell no, I ain't going for shit. Say they got geek shit, pull up, it's a VC.